You subscribe yet?
Man,
You need some more.
as morning light you come on me, right now, I don't want good mood, you know.
Watcha.
Right now.
Watcha. All my foot get cut, I come through dirty. Look, you can't fix the fence. Fix the fence, man.
We come on me yard, it was nice, so what's your problem?
To be honest with you, we get a dream last night. You know you don't turn around back.
What kind of dream?
You know you don't turn around smiling. You don't know a few things already, we have to put resources together.
So brother, tell me a dream now.
I say, sister, you know me is a man, wa. Me not like certain things. See? My dream say, me dey on one street, midnight, I cook goat belly soup. Eh?
Belly soup.
Yeah. Me did I cook goat belly soup and I say to myself, say, what could have caused me now to dey on street in my dream, I cook goat belly soup? Eh?
A big rate that, you know?
You mean say a big rake? So me I tell you, so what you think? Which one if you buy or if you buy all of them?
All of them we have to buy.
Sister,
All
you know
of
me
them.
stare them like to buy
man.
one and put the energy on one. Cause when one lick, we heavy.
Brother, you have to buy the 8,
Mm.
the 35, and what else?
Roadside, road what, 28? So you go. Oh, so me have a book there, but me you know a book go on with.
You have to buy everything. You can't just put your money on one.
So what make you
so.
buy your number them before and I call me say you buy? You know say me no like how you move?
And not that man, this is something I say now. As somebody me go down the road, go meet. You know understand? And me see Cashplot shop, so me just and see them me lose. See them. Right now,
But them
me
are not
just
good
fed up.
number.
Me feel like just give up on the gambling. Give me them.
Well, if you want to give up on it,
Watch
I
out.
make you buy your bed, you forget. I make you buy your fridge, you forget. Give up on you, and see if I give up on you. You're too miserable when you lose. You have to calm down and relax yourself. And you chat too much. You tell everybody your business until you win. You can't do that. Especially for your Mara friend, what named Pinky. Eh? But if you tell her your business and you know she stay, I bet you one day when she get corrupt on you, you are going to wish you never born. And you call her your friend. I don't know why.
You don't understand, you know.
You understand
You
what?
see when you win, it's a joy, man. You
Shut your mouth when you win. When you lose, same thing, shut your mouth. And nobody like your attitude.
I come in my yard for insult me?
No, me I say, go gamble because I know you have. You know you have like a money that to go buy the dream. What you say?
Me have in my pocket, I'm ready.
So we're
Me
going to
have
buy big
7 bills, can
35, 8 and 28. So which one I put more money on?
The 8.
The 8, belly.
I love your belly, that's why you dream about goat belly soon.
12 o'clock at midnight? What can go so? Alright, go buy it first. Come. Ready? You sure have money? You have money?
Me have money, what wrong with you?
Like my feet.
You come not tell hear about Cashplot a jiggy. Come on.
Make it sound like so make it, you know, want good on there with no bad vibes, you know. So nobody me good on there with no bad vibes, boss.
Come on.
I win where I win.
Slow down, no man.
Come off my road.
You know what me can't walk so fast like say we're not even late.
What do you mean from not late? Say you want late?
Hello?
Sir.
What's your number then? Number 8, number 35. How are you?
28, one
And 28.
Focus.
Take time with me now, man.
No, but you have a focus, you can't run for the winnings there.
And then me want to, how we go again?
One by one. One by one, each of them. One we can't look for me like you don't understand me as a miss. At time we deal with things, you know. We don't want time pass. That's me I say.
So that would be 600 I'm last money me gain. Me last money.
Top teller. Me see you talking back. I'm showing you in back pocket. You wicked in say. You Mr. Miss. You have one sister who just lie and just love make up story.
So me can come and tell a woman with business.
What mean say me come and tell you one business? What you talk about? Me not understand anything about everything good. I just say love style people.
Hey, me say you go make Cashplot make me follow.
Why ticket them there?
Me have a ticket them where you wear it. Why?
Come see them. I can't see them before I come out. You know, see if you check it. You look for me, so. Okay, guys, now. Ready?
I'm ready.
Thank you very much. Thank you. What?
Are you brother?
Yeah, my brother. I want to make an ask.
So you make him go and deal with your son and go on, so look how you nice, you want nice young girl now. You're not supposed to make him a cheat yourself. Ah, I'm say take it now. You see that sister, you know for you go on, so
Actually, you not understand, you know. Yes, if I didn't get the dream there, me and tell us me say the man does chigging, just hyping, just like in the on top of the world.
which dream?
Him and his friend, them, I cook goat belly soup on the road.
On the road goat belly soup, so you buy 28. And me see you buy 8. That's true. And when next time you buy again?
35.
Alright. So what time you cook your soup?
12 o'clock.
So how me not hear you buy the 12?
Yeah, really. Show the goat belly.
Listen me. 12 o'clock at midnight, you know. And a normal dream that, you know, a winning dream that, you know. Number 12.
Let me see if I have no more money.
No, but half your brother come like. So how you miss out the midnight?
Ah, here what? Give me this with 12.
Alright.
Yes, alright.
With 12, you sure?
Come no man, no me in a
Alright.
bit. What wrong with you? One finger. Alright.
I'll look here. If you will remember me.
Yeah, man.
Cashplot lady.
Alright. Let's say a word. And you need to listen. See if you see me, brother. Not tell him.
No man, me not like fear brother. No come, me not like I'm a cheat woman. Me a cheat like say you're not sister.
Alright, thanks. Here, if me win, me got
Alright.
you.
Yeah, me glad of
Sis. Tell her to come more nice.
Now I'm dreaming, son.
Let me see me up, so. Ah, boy. This nobody not play.
What play, by the way? Because I'm not even checking.
Yo, I said to myself, so why is it that thing is so hard to catch? It's like, you say, boy, you get a dream, you get a dream, you know? It's not like, say, you get up and say, you guess a number, you get a dream. And the dream will come true. And them always say, take it to your dream. You know, that's something, it confused me, man. Me buy 35, me buy 8, me buy 28. I know what man play?
When
12. Me forget about the bomber, me forget the man say midnight. Forget that part then.
Where's that by? Where? Me and I chat foolishness. 12.
Yeah, 12 in play. What? That's your ticket them no? That's your ticket them they no good. 35, 8 and sitting we buy. Me when did we buy? Can I tell you to bomb right? If I just read it just a little bit more, but I get the 12. Midnight. Midnight out of 12. Hmm? Want you? So make you check it the
So you say you catch it 12?
You catch it 12?
No, sir. No, me you buy the same number then what?
Where you go when you tell me say something come back, you go buy this? I don't know I shop go.
No, sir.
You go down
there? You feel hot?
No. I don't feel hot at all. I had long time. I walk out the road.
One of my friends call me.
And if you not call you?
Mm-hmm.
So what you want me to left yard?
Yeah.
No, I'm not left my yard yet. So how comes this thing come like a secret?
Just a hot so.
Your phone now ring.
No, I made the call already.
How much you move so Gigi?
Me hot, man, me hot. I something important she want to talk to me about. Me call her when me done. Just go on now.
When you're done?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, sis. Thing good. I have a dream again tonight and see if I can. When I'm late and see if I can dream. I'm going to have 5 flowers. Give me my belly. A belly I play. I bet it's a belly play later on I do. You go buy, but alright, just let me 5 bills if you can.
After you make me spend my last $700. Buy Cashplot and you know play, but you get dream, but just go on. Me not have no money.
Just $200.
Me not have no.
Just give me $200. Me know you have $200.
Me not have no.
A $900 you have. You take out the $900 you put back in $200 back in your back pocket. Sis, just take out you set the money and give me $200.
Brother.
Let me go on. Let me go on. You don't want me go on.
Me want me.
You don't want me go on.
Alright.
Give me $200. Let me go on, man. That's the people like you.
300. Go on.
300?
Yeah, go on. Hurry up now.
Yeah, watch you. This is normal. Everything good, man. Big up yourself, sister. Love is the word. Love is spread it.
Bingo today. Hello. Good night.
Good night.
Me hurry to see if me not even know if I did lock or nothing.
No, sir.
I'm coming to change the ticket here. The same ticket.
Oh, the number 12.
Mm-hmm.
But you can't change here, so.
What do you mean me can't change here, sir?
Girl, you have to go in and solve. This is a big money, 150,000 all this. Oh, you have to change here, so.
How am I gonna get to do that now?
Well, you have to go wait till the morning if you go change it. You have time. And you see, if me never tell you to buy the 12 would appear. So you owe me something now, you know.
He would play and me would win. Which
you
one?
You would win, it no matter. Which one me say something. Just know say anything me say you take.
Alright, you don't have to be so strong.
No, but no, my money me talk about now, you know, because I me make you buy.
Calm down,
So you have to talk.
Mama.
Who you look
Mama.
for?
Calm down, me I looking for my brother they come. Can you have a tendency
Oh,
to
so
just a pop up on me?
So
You
your
don't
brother don't
understand?
know? He don't know.
My brother don't know, me no want to know.
All the better when get enough of money like my brother and don't forget. I'm glad that you tell
Listen,
me
there's
come.
something I know. So let me ask you something now. So true, you tell me, say, me fi buy 12. You're entitled to get money out of my money? Eh? You're not obligated to get no money, you know.
Let me see ticket again.
But you see, because of the goodness of my heart.
Let me see ticket again now. You want a chat over there now? A chat you want to have?
No, sir.
Yeah, dear me, that give me back a ticket though.
You know, see a little joke me around, man. Want you?
What a joke me around real quick you want take it go we are chuck why?
The brother situation has stressed me out, man.
No worry yourself, man. Just know, say just tip me a little thing, you know? One little 20,000 and hat your pocket.
Me got your cover.
I love
So here one.
Come
Tomorrow.
back again here. Eh? Next time you do it again, I'm making tell your dream and then come because it seems like you don't know nothing about gambling and you come here and want gamble. Alright. Making tell you one next dream. Maybe you win next month, you don't want more money? You want broke?
Later, me I go home. So you say a man in. What time
Yeah.
the place open?
The place they start open by 8:30.
Me I did it from 7.
Yeah, nothing wrong.
Tomorrow.
Just come here by 9.
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow. Oh, my money.
Girl, why you call me out of my bed so late for tea?
So me can go on so like.
Girl, come me burn out last night and thing. So I catch up back in time now so me can get figure out work tomorrow morning. And you can call me.
Hello, me and your friend. Me supposed to can call you at 2 o'clock in the morning. You come link me. What wrong with that?
But suppose me the catch call.
Well, if you catch cold, no worry yourself. Me can carry a doctor for the prescription, do every test what you need. You don't worry yourself about that. I something me call you about.
The bingo. The money.
Girl, I between me and you do, you know. No make nobody know, you know. And then say 3 of ears. You understand?
And bush and wall of yeah. Yes. That's true because you make me just.
Me I wonder if I right thing me I do. Me trust you, me and your friend. Long time, me trust you. But guess what? Me don't want you to say nothing to nobody.
Oh,
Not
me.
all my brother. Him was Sarah. I don't want to know.
How long me your friend for?
12 years now.
Oh, so you don't know me?
Alright, listen here. Me bingo in a Cashplot. Right here, the paper.
150,000? Mega monster girl! Oh.
Jesus. So here what? Me want you mats up for me a morning. But I savvy off go, you know. But guess what? You know why me can go everywhere me day? My brother show up. He come like he have track up on me. Me say the man come like he have track up on me. Like he just a watch me pee clock. Pee clock.
Here I go on. Me nah bother go work tomorrow. Me a tell boss say, put on one sick leave and me nah bother come to work tomorrow. Me a go change this for you.
So wait there, after you change, where me for meet you? Cause we can't meet in a public, you know, you carry come give me a me yard.
Me a carry come give you yard.
Girl, be careful, you know. I'm gonna find tickets, sir.
Hey, so how much me I get out there?
$10,000, girl.
10,000?
Yeah.
Oh.
Awa, it's too much.
Me like that. 10,000 good. I can pay me fare and sit down there, that's true.
Yeah, man.
Alright, so tomorrow.
Try put up your paper, go. Just put in your phone back.
And money this, you know. Me no must put up it good. Alright.
Why, me I tell you something, I'm nervous. From day, I'm nervous, bad.
Take me on your magic river. Tell me all your dreams. there's a line. Sign me up and tell me about the people that you know who are trying to feel alive. Life can get hard, so honey, if you need to
Francine, I look for you. How are you there?
I'm such a woman, I'm asleep.
What can you? Me come here, I'm gonna see you. How are you going?
I did busy, man.
Busy? You at work? You find work?
I sit me there, look, boy.
What can I sit here with you if you look boy?
No, man, for one of my friend.
One of your friend, which friend that?
You know my friend, the brown girl, Pinky. You know my friend?
Pinky? That the rebel there? Yeah, put it up.
Now come in confront me again, man. Then must have me jump out of the
I
bed.
can't believe say you tell me say, nah, yo, you can't. Hold on. You mean to tell me say, me never, how many miss that? Hmm? One by now? Sis, me say,
Where is it? No, you say
it's like
sis.
say you're there, but you're not there. Your body there, but the spirit gone somewhere else.
No, man, I'm in hand. Me I listen to you, man.
Like everything good. But me I say, me go back and buy again. So it's like, so me say, if me buy 35, I'm borrow money from my woman and she will chill me go. Me buy 30, I buy 34, me buy 7, and me buy 27. Come just buy one number short of everything. And then still not play. I dream those worthless. Can't believe it. And then, but the thing is this now, so me have to go pay money, none of you have no money can't do nothing. I ain't see the last one, you always want to go, you come like a rat. You always have sitting put up in a one like a area. Catch up.
Well, me don't have the catch off tonight, so you have to go check me tomorrow. Tomorrow. No, man, me beg one of my friend want money and she said tomorrow. So, tomorrow.
Who that?
About 9-10 o'clock tomorrow.
You see a friend you talk about? So she get money from she got you something?
Me don't know where she get money from. Me don't know yet.
But then you say everything from hotel. I mean, look at the white man
But
them.
she never tell me that.
Yeah. You never know what's that state.
So you know a girl business?
I don't mean no girl. And my woman come tell me and talk business. So when she talk
Why your woman mix up, sir?
Hey, don't call me one mix up. Don't call me one mix up. Me don't understand why you have, every time you just, it's like, as I name come up in a conversation, so. Mix up. Dirty. Nah, no sense. Fool. Them things you pin on for my woman name.
You don't know?
What me say me don't know? Where your man there?
This is what me I say.
Where for your foreign man there where you every night you're there in a whole up a pillow and talk to? Where him there? You hear me I disrespect him? Be a white man we have a phone. Can me find out say a white man. Yeah, me find out. Who you go there with white man? What kind of style that?
So me ask you something. Your business who me want there with?
Me not busy when I say you got a white man. White man you got to? No.
And something wrong with that? No man in him.
Nothing wrong with that.
Man a man.
It's alright. That sound like say you look something like you look green card and sit. That's so you look.
So if me I look green card, no better men.
Better than for what? No.
For me and you, cause if me go away, me don't fail for you.
No.
And you can't fail for your woman.
No. Me don't want to fight for so. For so be 5 for coming by the 5 feet. You understand me go and yam grass like a goat.
You don't see a corruption?
No corruption, but me I say you left the good taxi driver who used to carry go up and down on the road.
And that's why you love sweets.
And you know me love sweets, me I say the man will rate you. And you left the man and gone West Park, Paris, to Wonderland, hopes and dreams. Everything good, that's your choice.
You can't go and talk, you know. So what you say you want? What you come over here for?
600 and give up more.
Tomorrow. Me not have it right now.
Go in no problem, she got access to money.
Well, I hear about that.
You know what she
you love use the laugh. What you do? Thief your man money?
No, she Because she said we go shop to go buy some stuff. And me just went see them think against the boy. What if we win? What if we win? And people that talk about Cashplot and all them something and I said, what if we win? So me go and I buy 27. Can't believe it, sir.
And you thief your woman money.
No, not even if just borrow it. I mean, go and borrow it.
She knows that she borrow it. Each day you borrow it.
You need to go in back with you. Are you an island? I can give me some island.
Me not have no L. So you run out of luck tonight. You run out of luck tonight. You better go tell her so the money last. Tell her so the money drop. You last.
Not tell her so me lend you money.
Come like you want your warrior woman come on me and kind of problem with me $600.
She not come and she will understand and cuss. She not agree to it, you know. But if me say me last year, me is going to be like that, me can't.
So now you, then I'm me.
Sister, I see you stay, everything good, everything good. If
I
I dirt, I dirt, right?
Me convince you.
If I dirt, I dirt.
If I dirt, I dirt.
Big up yourself.
I don't go over there go call me name.
You can't afford to expect a car.
What's wrong with you? I just not can come in and I can wait for myself and come.
No, I'm dead.
No,
Alright.
I'm good.
Yeah, it's like, my sister use half the money. Come on, go down there, and I say to my sister, say, yo, why is it that you want money for go buy oil? She want oil, you know? And she taking money from me go buy oil, say, boy, if you go back to her sister yard and race one and something. And I say, I don't understand what she stays to do, but she just wicked. And then I try to disrespect you and I call you. Like she has say, boy, she has style you. Say you mix up. Eh? What kind of thing that?
Baby, where do you the money? Me and you know say you can't lie. Call her and tell her. You gamble out the money and you come here and try and tell me like on your sister. And what kind of money? Are you wicked son? Eh? Hello? Me can't do work so hard. And every time me I get money I go gamble it. Me can't they go look about people, me a nurse. And if you come in and I give you money, fear they tell lie by your sister and fear they gamble, it don't look good.
Say this, I lie me too.
It mark all over your face, babe. See a lie you tell me. You can't lie. You all a sweat. You're nervous.
No, me come here run, come now. Rain a fall a little bit, come here run, come here rain. See, you get no dream.
What kind of dream you forget?
Normally in a dream, you have me money off your dream.
Every time, let me tell you, most of the time you gamble, you lose. And what a compulsory, you win. Stop gambling. Please, me beg you.
When you like me win, you not happy for me win.
I'm happy for you, yes.
So why you discourage me?
Me not. Me have to discourage you because we lose money.
No, we
you
are
have to the same. You see, each time when you think about gambling, put on your money in a one pan. Ask how much money you make for months. Do that. Try that.
So what if you're dead left for money?
The blood of Jesus against you.
Who use the money? People are getting money for use. Me I always say to myself, say, if you save hard and sit and go and you know what I mean? Then dirty nigga go fight over your over your dead left and them something. But me understand what you say. We need to save. But we are safe. You know full savings.
What do you mean full saving? The money when me work after me in your office.
Alright, here me go do. You see Monday morning bright and early. Come here have a little work for David and thing. And you see down at the car wash place when I'm going like say they never want me to come walk down there. I go down there and walk. And thing, cause bossy call me and say if you come in,
You go work.
Yeah.
Thank you, Jesus. Finally, have little sense.
You come when you gambling money, you can't come to your time.
Ah, Jesus Christ. I think you man come with sense.
What do you mean? You see my sister struggle to go out work a morning time. 9 to 5 now cut it.
Listen.
Just imagine you go to work every week. See? And you sort out things for work.
Mm-hmm.
And you pay like $10,000 for taxi fare, gas money just to reach. And for food, sometimes you pay 15,000. And them a look on you for 1 month and give 45,000. That don't make no sense. Better me go and hustle because you know like me I get hungry. Food no cook today.
And you know, so your sister now different.
Yeah, because we have blood. You feel be like us sometimes and just relax your brain. And I say people sometimes say mix up in a okay, you always try to fix this and fix that and decipher this and decipher that. Sometimes you relax, man, drink some rum, man, drink a special. You know what I mean? And not tell if you smoke. But just, you know, just drink something and calm your nerves. Enough time of day I drink and me as a babe, see I stay so you say no, like say boy you're afraid of it. Cause you're a nurse. Eh? Guess what? I can tell you something. All if you drink apple juice, water, coconut water, and eat fish, and all them something there. You still everybody still go dead. You understand? So me don't know why you try to put it in our sense, boy. You know? Come on, man. Live a little, man. Look at your face nice and pretty. You do your hair. And tutus. You go through so much pain for do your hair. And you just grow. You have to pull it out next week. Or not even next week, maybe 3 days. Because I'm going to rock at night. I'm in tennis. So I miss your body, you know. Miss your body, man. So I'm last night. I'm touching your dead sleep on me. I pretend?
No, I'm tired. I want to work with you yesterday.
You want to work with you yesterday? The doctor boy that way you work against, you know, you better watch it, you know. Because me come down to the hospital there. Nothing like that.
Just my partner.
You see enough time I see him watch you pass by. Me watch your eyes them, you know.
God.
Your partner in what? Eh? And me your partner.
I know someone mean.
Me no know what you mean or what you say.
I'm at work.
Oh, you work, yeah, but that boy that doctor boy them, I don't trust him. So you make him know say you have a madman. You understand? You're there with a madman. And I don't want to come down there and bring me other madman them down there. You understand me I say? Yeah.
Cuz boy.
I go.
Where the pan?
Let's go and pre some numbers so we can go, you know, really.
Boy,
No
still have
foul,
to
right?
Cashplot.
I mean, brother, we can't stop with that. I saw enough time I win and me bingo, you know. And every day I go and still. But remember last time I buy 2 juice and sitting. I them thing there.
Nothing go on for me.
What you mean?
Nothing go on for me. Things slow, so you can't make something go on till something go on.
Nothing really not show the way the show is supposed to show, bro. Believe me. But I'm making look work and sitting, work at supermarket or pack bag or sitting. What?
Don't know my style at time.
So, what your style? Collecting money?
Yeah, man, we do some things, man, like, and them time that we used to.
Me?
Yeah, man.
You remember your run left me? Eh? You remember say, when done so, and you say, yeah, man, the man not there. And you claim say you have a key. You remember?
Remember, man.
You remember? So you asking about that something. You know, asking about them sit again, brother. I can't go on no them life not for me again. That me I tell you.
But you say Cashplot thing now work out.
Brother.
And every time at Christmas and every day at Christmas.
Yeah, but one day, everything
Christmas
must fall.
come once a time a year.
So yeah, so if you avoid everything then, brother,
No,
me's a live gambler. See? Are them the things that kind of bring the joy to me. When me win, me feel like say, yeah,
you
me I go through something.
Serious thing, yeah, it's not a gambler, it's trying to be a gambler. If you was a gambler, you would have bingo every day.
So yeah, try this, me I say right now.
Try this, but
so
me I tell you say, drop that no man what we go do back.
Brother, me not thief no more, me not thief. More have to win honestly. I'm a gambler. Only way if you win quick now, I just a gamble. See? The last time I try, that thing there dial and sitting. You know what come here?
Police.
I better when police come there. Soldier come there, like army come there. A good thing say I never film him upon the original thing them. So then give me one day and let me go like a common law thief. But I'm not depend on certain things, man. So you hear me I say you do still. Now for your sister run the Cashplot shop.
Yeah.
You know, look at work from she then. That's if you do.
I never did think about no work still, you know.
You know that
But
if you
like
do.
how my sister run the Cashplot shop.
Mm.
And I hear shop the regular. Yeah, you're good man go. See if we can scrape up some money.
And some back so yo, move first.
Why fax me attacking
Facts
my
of
youth?
you what kind of facts? Criminal facts. Brother, I'm tell you the top thing that way the man. Are you going? Cause you're forward now, you're number what's number that again? Mount, a big mount you come with 14. Boy. 31 or 21.
Yeah, talk to him and man there charge about Cashplot number.
Alright, you are going. Can you understand me I saying? I bet you by the end of the day. Link back on the end of the day as you are going. But remember me tell you, talk to your sister and get a little work out there, brother.
I don't really want to work. She don't want to pay me a month of money when I forget.
So much
Cause we
money you
have
forget?
family.
So much money you forget, sir?
Yeah?
Much money you
Forget
forget?
a whole heap of money.
Brother, just go
And
and
a
look at
week
what, man.
time I want to pay.
Alright. Why you not try to invest then?
Invest in
Try to get her to buy some poker box or sitting and you know, say you run them poker box. You
Yeah,
clear them off, you service
me
them.
the same thing up on the
Eh?
gambling thing. Fast money me I talk about. You know, I'm slow money. You
Well,
go
yeah,
in
easy.
there. You know how much money you guys have in there? Take up some money, man, and, you know, and not like a everyday thing. One time thing, man. Just broke your shop.
Wait, a broken shop.
Yeah. I Cashplot shop, that's enough.
You see, you get somewhere. Alright, you are going. Me link up later and see what I go. Talk to her.
Sure.
Hmm?
Sure.
Just talk to her and say that hours a month she work and say we know you know when to do everything. See?
Alright. Yeah, talking.
Thieving boy, man. You really think me not follow him?
Take me on your magic river. Tell me all your dreams align. Sign me up and tell me about the people that you know who are trying to feel alive.
I wanna get that shit from.
What one?
You can't just buy one seat and done with your
What make you not buy me? No, tell me why you not buy me. Are you always coming from slow in there now?
So you say I'm going with you.
Me
Now
not
gamble
say
today.
no, sir. Me don't know that again right now. Tell you the truth. I'm so young to think about. Honestly, me sit down here and me and mince, right? And me don't think this is what me really want to do right now. I want to work me and look. Right now, me just confused. I want to work me and pray for look right now. This Cashplot
Sister,
gambling
hey,
thing
listen
not
to me,
work.
listen to me. Me are blood. And me are same ma, same pa. See? We think it's same way. That's why we click so sometime. But now I say we click all the time because you're getting the damn feelings too much. What you win? You win something?
Me no win nothing.
You have one money and collect or something?
What make you think that?
You white man, I got send the money?
Why you think that?
Me no know something I fi go on, but you say you don't gamble no more. Me been gambling from what? For about 10 years now. And you come tell me now, so you give up, you quit today. No man, tell me what I go
A
on.
long time me I think about
Sis,
it.
don't start praying, sis. Don't. Me say, you see the same woman that running Cashplot shop. See her brother. You know if you remember, say me and me get some trouble one time. We are trying to go rob Mr. Chin, but you know walk out and he run and me run. He know. I come say like he want me and he go rob the Cashplot shop. Me say, what? So why you want me to go to jail? Why in the jail was mark on me? Jail was print out on his face.
You try to make sure so
Me
you
no
not
that,
get
man.
involved with that, you
Me
know.
just a
Cause that risky, you know,
What you mean say
bro.
it's risky? Me not depend on life, but that's why me gamble because I want, you know what I mean, forward quick. But me not depend on that. But you if you tell me now, what I want with you? You just ease your brain a little bit, fear what go on. Well, talk to my sister and don't be unfair, man. Watch your finger. See that finger there? You see with your finger, so something not go on, sis. You know what tell me?
Bro, just no say. Me just done with this. Me need to look at work, be a normal person, and stop the gambling thing. You understand what I say? Enough of that, man. Anyways, so you did end up tell your girlfriend boy say you borrow the money, or you lost, or something. You remember?
The time say you. The time say you take the money and buy oil. So when she see you and cutting you off for you, nobody feel say it's just because she don't like you, because of that.
Bro,
You
what
understand?
make you always do this to
I
me,
don't do me, I
bro?
do this, so you have to save me. So who to save me? Eh? Now you have to save me, so let me save enough time.
So you want to pin everything for me before you deal with your woman and make she...
No, pin me a pin it, it's just the reality of life, I'll say. So you say, don't gambling favor now. That you tell me. So tomorrow morning come check the same thing, same answer.
Morning. See how the little squats them and something do? Like them at work. What happened? Nothing happen, you know. You know from when I want to see you? I want to see you all long and I try to have your number. I didn't look for your number and can't find me. Listen now. I have one brother there. I don't know where me get him from. I know me where mother get him from and his father. Because imagine, ain't it about $600 and me take 600 buy cooking oil? Eh?
Yes.
I believe, don't come
No.
why you have me up, you know?
No, me never believe when you come in my time say I'm telling you use and gamble.
Well, me don't know about the gambling part, but I know me take the 600, I do nothing about with it, but anyways.
You know, so yeah, your brother is same thing.
With what?
Yeah, your brother is same thing, you know. You know, have a little liness about, you know. But anyway, you know, if you have a gambling still and still, you know. You see, money when I take and gamble, but you know, I look up pan and check how much when month end come.
I hear what me say now. Calm down. Because guess what? Me know say gambling is an addiction, right? But not true, you have a 9 to 5, you at work. You go just dash in on my face, so the little gambling and my hustling, right? Me have something I sort out, right? I hit me the on my way, I go figure. You understand?
Why you go sort out?
You will hear about it. You gonna hear about it. Me not have to tell you something where I gonna make my life better. Yeah.
You gonna make feel so what happened to your brother? And you always talk about you and everything, you say my life. Anything your brother talk about you know?
So once my life better, my brother life will better too.
No, but you never
Common sense.
No. Yes, common sense would have tell me that. But you use for yourself alone. Your brother would have said me and my sister.
I understand what you say. But once if me not alright, oh my brother go alright.
It's alright, you know for that. Well,
anyways,
where you go? Where you say you go?
Right up the road this summer.
Cashplot shop.
Nope. Me done with gambling right now.
You sure?
I done with gambling. Bigger heights.
So a fishy boy.
Bigger fish me have to fry.
How you say you bingo?
Bingo? No sir. Me no bingo. You hear what? Call anything what you want call it. But all you have to know say gambling pay off. Later.
Alright, later. Like what the exercise?
Lighten up, take me on your magic river. Tell me all your dreams align. up and tell me about the people
So, oh yeah, drum so.
who were
I'm
trying
frightened
to
because
feel
me hear your bang your slippers. Funny, what
Oh, pana what me think yeah, do now.
do you mean? What me can do so what you think so me not do what I'm not supposed to do? I'm phone on man.
Oh,
No game me that play and
you sure say game I run a call of the man?
so if I come up and I know me a call already, my sister or some me dumb, you know. Sure. What happened to you alright? How was the exercise?
Exercise the alright if you go exercise too,
One
Yeah.
place me exercise in the other room there. Me no do no other exercise for right now.
Exercise good for your
Look
body.
how much sweat and me a sweat, you know. And yeah, you understand? So you need to exercise. Me exercise already. Ah boy, rough.
You could tell me say your sister win the cash pot.
When which cash pot?
Cash pot.
Sister win a cash pot.
Me say your sister win the cash pot. Me see her when me exercise down the road a while ago.
I go where? I go for cash pot shop?
No, she said she a go somewhere, but her life better off now.
Huh?
And she tap, and she done with cash pot.
No man, my sister not go win and tell me. I know my sister. Maybe one dopey jump in the earliest morning and
And she done there say for her life better. So me say what to your brother? He say, yeah man, I'm a brother too.
you sure say you never see one dopey behind her a walk behind her or something?
Me no know.
I
Yes.
hold her mouth and hold her brain. And I'm my sister that. So when you come tell me this now, my sister not gonna do that to me. A long time me and my sister go through.
What you say to me? I lie me a tell?
Me no say a lie you a tell, but me I say words them
No.
a lie.
Oh, words them a lie.
Me no say it,
Me
me
no
no
lie
say
like
you.
you and your sister.
So you gonna make my sister again?
You and your sister are too liar. And me say your sister win the cash pot. If you say a joke me and me.
No, you know.
So you never know that all along?
She not gonna win and tell, but I first thing me I tell her. Why you keep on repeat yourself every time? Eh? You not gonna work.
Yes, me I got work. Me be there already now. So you want for breakfast?
You know I'm gonna pick you. Give me anything because you know you go already. But make sure you fry planting. Fry planting and about bun up back your hand again. Come on, know what wrong with you fry planting you feel say.
That means me that get born.
Well, if you get born with cash pot, yeah, you get born for true.
Alright. Can you come like you live in a cash pot?
No, but I'm looking hustling, I'm looking juggling. You have to
Go look.
understand that.
Go look 9 to 5 do. And
And-
that's what you go do. Me go tap give you money when me work.
I know you give me money. You must do me like hustling just the same way. Construction and all these things. I'm tell you, I go down at the car wash place.
Yeah, so how you not gone? Why you sit down
Because
yourself?
me I think about if we go yes or not right now. Me I try to build a
One.
vibes to go. Give me breakfast, man. Give me breakfast, give me breakfast.
Me will order it. I joke, me will look about you.
Yeah. Ask your sister if nobody win no money out of the shop there. Yeah? Yeah, check and see if they win no money out of the shop. I know if nobody win no extra money or so. Just go check your sister, man. Yeah. Come on, know what I go on for real. Come here, you want a little thing and I don't know if I say go. No, I not do that something, the brother. I tell you, I not broke no shop. What am to you? A jail or say want me go, what? Work like a jailbird to you? Go check your sister, bro.
Yo, wagwan now. Oh, my sons are happy. Me happy, man. Thing up here now, you know. Be a money you would. You want to see how me look lavish out. Yeah. What? If me not come to work, come out with you work. Right now, tell that the boss is if you go chuck off over a bridge. More work. Tell boss say if you drop into sick leave. Right now, up my thing up. Anisha, she not done yet. Alright, let's see our word. Just make sure see your gov. I can chat some man, not say some man. Watch out now. Me link you back later here. Alright.
I see that's why you can't answer me call. From morning me a call you not answer. Something come from. Let me get you something, please. How are you in the house?
You know what say? When we go down a Cashplot shop, he line long till he can't long no more. But here I go on. You see one of my long time nigga them give me ticket and tell them say, yo, collect it for me. Cause line too long. And that's somebody who me trust. You understand? I worry.
Me have to worry. Why? No, tell me now why me would worry.
Say not trust me.
Me trust you, what me not know the friend where you give. Me know a friend.
As somebody who me trust. As somebody who me know how long. So if you trust me, believe in him, cause me believe in him. So no worry about nothing at all.
Me say one thing when you know money build friend and it make friend. It make friend and it break friend.
So you never hear about me.
So listen what me I say. And I like say 5 grand or 10 grand $150,000 you give next man the ticket.
Tia, listen to me. No boy and no girl can ramp with me. You hear me I tell you? If a boy thief me money right now, you do want know what me do. Oh, so just copy nice.
When we come back to you for money?
Check me in the evening.
This evening?
Yeah.
Or tomorrow? This evening?
Check me in the evening, yeah.
You know what, me not even check you. Try and make sure it's this evening. Let me see at what time now. How you think my thing a joke thing? After 3 now and from morning if you go collect the sitting, you know. So
Yeah,
here what, you see by 5 o'clock, try and make sure you see there I'm in yard with my money.
Alright. Alright, later here. Cool girl. Yum, let them money.
Lighten up, take me on your magic river.
Imagine.
Tell me all
4:59. I'm thinking I reach it. Call it say at 5 o'clock. Boy, tell you.
Sis. What go?
Nothing on going.
I want to.
There. Boy, you ever they show up at some time?
We been show up at some time. What you talk about time?
Me don't know them a time, you know. You don't have your woman in your yard for massage or something.
No man gonna work. What you talk about?
Oh.
I want to.
Me
Sis,
not so right.
sis, me really want to know if you tap game for sure work. Cause me not understand. Cause me want to buy some number you know. And thing, but me don't know if you can. Just give me 3 numbers.
How much time me I go tell you?
Me now no cash for me I got the bigger one.
You mean what?
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
Mm-hmm.
Alright. Me I give you 3. So me give you 3 number you go away?
Oh, you expect something?
Me not expect something, but me I take some time off for meds. You understand? Meditate.
Speaking
right
about
now.
time off and meds, you know, so if my woman tell me one sitting this morning, boy, you say you're bingo. What me I tell you is that impossible. Because you're bingo, so you win Cashplot and sit. Me I say, you know, I'm going to do them sitting there. Especially if you win, you give me a thing out time.
What make your sister want mix and mingle
I
me?
see him thing me I say to myself.
You see me all that chat foolishness. You're woman. What make your woman want mix and mingle me? Yeah.
Sitting around with your man. You confuse me. I want you.
Stress me, I go through wholly. Me just have meds hard. When I get 3 number them, I just go on. We talk tomorrow.
I'm not ready for leaving.
So you sit down here, sir, all time?
How are you? Expect something or something? See, you make me start praying. You know. What time now?
At 5 o'clock now.
You can at 5 o'clock at 5 to 5. What am to you?
For me time, I say 5 o'clock.
Alright. Me 3 number then. Because I want to buy 21, 14, and 5. That's my 3 number. Need 3 more.
Alright, me like 34, 19,
Mm-hmm.
and you can buy 12.
34, 19, and 12.
Mm-hmm.
21, 14, 5, 19, 34, 12. So nice, not true?
Mm-hmm.
Oh Lord. Alright, you know what I'm going to do? I left your place because obviously you don't really want me when where bones are not provided, dogs are not invited. Not true?
I don't like that, my brother, but
No, not even touch me. Because you run me. You change, man. Something you change.
that's what me and say, brother. Me I go through one little phase right now. Me just want meds right now. My
What kind
God.
of phase you can want meds right now? You don't smoke. Where you want meds? Hmm? You don't drink. Where you go meds?
Brother, and every
Up my
time,
brother.
and every time, me I go want people around me, No offense,
And me you talk to you?
Me and your brother and
We
sister.
come out I see him vestly, you know. I wonder if you know that.
Me get
Me
to
say
ya.
not touch me because you disrespect me. You let me down.
I hear one. You see, as of tomorrow, everything will change. Go back to normal.
Tomorrow.
Just give me a little time. Just give me a little time. Please.
Take all the
Your
time.
phone a drop out. Set the phone.
Don't worry about my phone.
Love you, bro.
Me not love you today. Tomorrow.
I didn't curl that day, man. I didn't curl that day.
Wagwan, my friend.
Wagwan. Na 5 o'clock, me tell you. And after 5 now.
Why, you see in life, you see when great things are about to happen, you have to take a little time and wait for the man.
Wait.
Where are you? Touch your face, my love woman.
Pinky, where money?
And that me combo. You see, nigga, one emergency come up. When you have to cut same time. So later on I get the money. What you worry about? Me tell you if you start worrying a girl.
Pinky, when my money day. Pinky, a joke, a prank ya. Let's see if I prank ya.
I tell it I want go. Can you get up? Pinky! Have my money there. How are you?
Pinky, me I get nervous. My nerves I get bad. Pinky, me trust you enough. Fi give you the ticket. Fi go collect the money. Understand because me don't want my brother know. At least not yet. And watch it now. You tell me say you go this morning. Today me can't check you tell me say what? The man in a line. Now the man run Ghana town. Pinky, Lord have mercy. Pinky, let me see if you under your wig. Lord Jesus. Pinky, where my money?
What kind of mad this is? What kind of mad friend me have? See the unsound man all along? Me don't know.
Unsound mine? That you say? You will know if me unsound mine if me can't get my money. Eh? Pinky? In the name of Jesus, Pinky. For my money. Pinky? Me have bills, me have debts, me have things to do. I know you tell me this, you tell me that. Pinky, where the money?
So you don't know say you have bills when you come to my yard. You know say not trust me. And me just a see it. Me say one little emergency come up with the man and he have to rush. Go about him business. So what you want me to do? Call him and say, oh, tell the man to turn back his bus and come back and give me some. You feel weird. Have patience, no man. Have patience.
Lighten up, take me on your magic river. Tell me all your dreams align. sign me up
Are you see you there?
and tell me
Oh,
Me tell us me I go to work.
you gotta work.
Yeah, me I go to work now.
Guess so.
Yeah, we have a local staff award at work.
What kind of stuff forward?
Them will give staff them award today.
Today? You go and go do your thing. Go get your award. So you get award?
No.
Okay, do your thing. Call me when you reach. Yeah?
Yeah, me tell them this.
Don't make the doctor boy there watch you, you know.
What happened to you
What you
and the
mean so harm
doctor
to
boy?
what you say me harm to the doctor boy? I know what the doctor boy up to.
The man not up to nothing. Yeah. See me here. Later.
Come on.
Aye.
I want me.
Brother, me have something to tell you. I don't know how to tell you, but me have to tell you. Me just hope when me tell you, you can forgive me.
What you mean? So harm to you?
Me come from same mother and same father, right?
Yeah, but sometimes I wonder if I see him father cause you know you thing already.
Promise me say you're gonna forgive me.
Forgive you for what you ain't tell me nothing that I could have want to so you see stress for yesterday what?
Alright. Now get to the point.
Yeah.
Remember other day when I dream about the goat belly soup? Kinda think me betray you.
Let me betray me. How are you win? You don't win. Me you go buy I'm gonna win. We so hold on. Alright, I'm a wait.
Alright.
Make I wait.
After we buy the number them, 3 number them, right? One little birdie pinch me and tell me say to buy 12, which is the midnight. So we kinda left out that out of the rake. And the 12 play and put one money pan it, Mega Monster win $150,000. But that on the end. Because me want, alright, me give me friend, right?
Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Don't put that. Don't do that. You understand what I say? Talk your talk. Just talk your talk and stay over there, sir. Come on, if you feel like you talk now and tell me what I'm going to just accept you like a highway. You think a highway depend? You're scared for the toll? Eh?
Alright, listen now.
I don't want you
Me
know
give
my
me friend
you.
Pinky
Pinky?
to change the ticket at 2 day or 3 day now and now me can't get the money.
For your friend Pinky, you tell you you're a rebel. Eh? Me not tell you you're a rebel. You think I joke, girl, that? Eh?
Brother, listen now.
So
Please,
you
just
get back.
forgive.
Don't. You said don't touch me. Don't you dare do that. You understand what I say? Cause you come talk to me now, $150,000. You teach me woman 6 pills and I buy no oil. When she a cook it in mackerel dry. Cause she said she nah buy no oil. And you have $150,000 and not even give me $10,000. You can't believe you do me that, I swear. Me can't. You know what? Me understand. Cause you're a jacket, you're half a jacket. You're half a jacket.
But me can never you say you are Jackie.
Well, well, call you so then. Anything you want to call
Hi,
it.
hear what, brother?
Cause me look more like my father than you.
Hear what, brother? Listen what me I say. You hit the tin mackerel already. So you don't need to talk about tin mackerel today. How we can resolve this? What step me can take to get back my money?
For your money.
For with money.
Listen, me say, don't touch me. You sure it's a Pinky collect your money? Not sure. If you, when you have to ask her, you think she
Brother,
collect your money?
listen what me I
You
say.
give her, no, the next thing is you ask her, you give her a ticket.
Me give her the
You
ticket.
put the ticket in your hand with number 12 or 15. Can't believe you. Are you You scam me off and say no money. And you go buy it well bigger than anything else. I know what tell me. And me come here and tell you about the dream. And me, for me dream. If me never lock them too big yaya, you won't hear nothing. I know you make Pinky a rain with me money.
Brother, just listen now. Me not proud of what me do, you know. Me not proud of what me do, but please, me, I beg you, just forgive me. And we are talk about this afterwards. Just come on, we got Pinky now.
You think you don't get?
Me don't know about the word teacher because she not answer her phone no matter what me call her, me private me number.
How much money I get out of it?
$10,000.
Come out of me yard. Come out of me yard right now. Exit. And do the steps and come out. How much me I get?
Alright. 50.
You say me not get 50,000? We do have a conversation. That if you get back no money, which day we pass Pinky yard, and me smell beer seafood, shrimp, it's essence them tall like she have one chef in there. You know Tanisha? The chef Tanisha. I down there and pass her 2 times. I say, what Tanisha doing? I say, but she, say she a top chef. When you come on to shrimp and then sitting there. So you tell me, say you feel like say we give her the money.
Alright.
Mr. Top touch me. I want your finger them.
Brother, me can't go on so with
Where
you,
me say me
brother.
a go on so?
Me not like how you treat me now, hear what? 50,000 then. Come on. Come on now. Time
Really?
ago.
Hold on. A bad girl, you know. I tell you, you think a joke? You think a joke, girl?
We have to go just approach
I
her
nice.
We just approach her nice.
Well, a few friend. Talk to her first and then
calm,
me come in after.
be. Yo, wicked. Just come on.
Alright, come. Go along. Go along now. You come, sure. Right now, I'm not supposed to even come down and say anything. Rebel, what go on there?
Where you going?
Thing good?
Mm.
Your sister tell me a thing. So ease up now. You talk now? My sister show me a vibes where she said she gave one ticket to clear up one thing. True? So you collect your money?
And that done.
What mean you done?
Me say done. How? Me use that.
You see me talk about?
And give peace to my chef too, and that's why I'm Tanisha. How?
So, sis, me talk about? Yo, give me that phone now, man. Give me the phone now. Give me that phone.
Rasta boy? What you try?
Yes, iPhone 14 that, 14 Pro Max.
Hey, girl, what this? I wanna try.
When me say we try, who are sister money?
Show you something.
Show you what?
Lift up.
Sister, go ahead, call police. Come on, call police.
Dirty Rasta boy.
You subscribe yet?
You can't please everybody, but at least somebody happy. Hey, this is Public Report, and as always, I have to say thank you to everybody who has supported the movement. You know what I mean? Change is inevitable, that's what I'm saying. So you have to get, you know what I mean, on top of things and do what you have to do. That's true. So guess what now? This one is called Cashplot Episodes. Alright, episode 2. So I couldn't get to drop it as quick as I wanted to because, you know what I mean? But, don't forgive me, right? So guess what now? Watch it, share it, like, comment, do the right thing, you know what I mean? And for the family members what stuck by me and, you know what I mean, did it. Oh my God, messages, you know what I mean, and so forth. I still go through where I go through, but we are go through it, you know what I mean, and we do it together. New family members, thank you for being on board, and highly appreciate you. And, you know, thus far, I've seen the comments, I've seen where, you know, things I need to improve on and all them something that I see them. Alright? And I don't know if you realize that I not drop no more movie under 38 minutes. So I don't know say thing I improve. Alright? And me I listen to Uno because you know what I mean? Yeah. So watch that one. It's called episode 2 of Cashplot. I want to big up Pinky, one big up Marika, one big up Bob, one big up Aliyah, you know what I mean, and the whole family. You know, who else in them, you know, no can't bother them and go back with me. Ashley. Yeah, Ashley Night and Puppet Dan, you know what I mean, from Coloring Book. So, you know what I mean, we have put it together. So bless up and thanks again and watch it, watch it. But first, watch the recap. Oh! My dream set. Me the on street. Midnight. I cook goat belly soup.
Hey, me say you go make Cashplot make me follow.
Wait ticket them there.
Me have a ticket them. Where you wear it? Why?
Come see. Come can't see them before come out.
No, me not hear you buy the 12.
Me really. She want a goat belly.
Listen, 12 o'clock at midnight, you know.
Church, me buy 35. Me buy 8. Me buy 20 each. I know what man say.
When bro?
12. Me forget about the bomba. Me forget tell the man say midnight. Forget that part there. And think cause bossy call me and say come in.
You go walk.
Yeah.
Thank you, Jesus. Finally, I'm looking for you.
You can't really gamble money, you can't come to your time.
You subscribe yet? Man, I come with the same things. Me see your sister with the Cashplot. Me see her when me exercise down the road a while ago.
I go where? I go for Cashplot shop?
No, she said she go somewhere, but her life better off now.
Huh?
And she tap. And she done with Cashplot.
No man, my sister not go win and tell me. I know my sister. Maybe one dopey jump in him.
Name of Jesus, Pinky. For my money, Pinky. Me have bills, me have debts, me have things to do. I know you tell me this, you tell me that. You subscribe yet? Alright. Hello? Why y'all call me the entire here? Me tell her so when me dey home, you know, to call me certain time because my boyfriend dey home. Me not care, and my suspect it to a week. Every time me I go work, he must say, make sure say doctor man now look pie and this and that. You have to be careful. Me not understand you. Listen. Stop calling me when me dey home. You always see me at work. And we even go out other days, so what your problem? You can't get all. You know say me and him the first. And I like say you don't know you know. Alright. Hold on. Later. Because see my boyfriend a call me there. Later. Yeah, babe. Me I come. Yeah. Alright.
That's how you do it. That's how you do it. I dodge me, you know, from when me I look for you, see the phone there in your hand, that means your phone active. Because me I call you, I'm not even like get you.
Things not going away or if you go for me right now, you know.
What you mean by that?
No money now run, brother. You know, see how Christmas a come up, nothing now go on.
So me not give you a tool. What you do with it, you not rent it. You know, so if you not do it right, me have to take you back.
Listen to me. I have a whole heap of links out there. And I can call one of my mad dog them right now and get a thing. Because right now people afraid of me, you know.
No say so, man.
I tell that, you know, and ask me, you know, people afraid of me right now, you know.
So how nothing now go on for you out there, that more know?
You see me at work?
You have a tool you need for renting. Yo, you make me have to take
Watch
you back,
now.
you know.
Things soon start happening in the right way, brother. Me soon bingo again, you know. Believe in me. You know what's I believe in me?
And money me believe in, me no believe in people.
Brother, you better start have faith in me.
Where?
Oh.
Me have faith in money, not in people. Alright, we don't talk about the tool. So when me I get the money?
I'm going to make a link.
Make a link. Give me a date. Give me a time. When?
Yo, Thursday I get it.
No, man. Today is Thursday, man. Me can't wait so long.
I must hear that Thursday.
No, me can't wait so long, man.
Alright, Monday.
What time Monday?
10 o'clock.
Alright, just make sure, you know.
Do you right, man. Left me out to you, man.
How we are deal with? You know remember how we are deal with? No do that, man. They always say, sorry for Marga dog and then turn around and bite you. Remember me teach you a game and me take you out tight. I never send some bad dogs to bite you. Better ease yourself, you know. Like you know, say that chance me I give you. Yo, I go on for my money.
What you mean?
Yo, the two catch you, you know. I see a word here. I remember see how Uno rob Mr. Chin, you know. I want to try to set me up. Alright.
Babe,
Yes, me here.
so make it take so long to come out here run here though.
Me never did that do nothing.
What mean you never do that do nothing?
Me just this long nice to take and me feel tired.
At 3 times I call the phone and the ring right out. How that is possibly the right there, so? Eh? So why you not talk on the phone?
I wanna my coworker then call me and ask me which part
Which
I put
co-worker? A doctor?
Oh God.
Eh?
Yes. And injection them in call me and ask which part I put them.
You call if you ask the injection.
Mm-hmm.
So you want to inject you? Hmm?
Why you always say stuff like that about him, man?
When me say stuff like that about him, man, it clear say him man like you. And it clear say you are entertain him. How? Because you want position? Hmm? Position you look for? Hmm? Hold up here and cock up a bottom and that you go do. How? Not true? That you do? Think good, man.
Nah, Jesus. Just stop
Think
off
good,
for
man.
that. You know, say you me love and everything.
Who you love? Love me? You can't love me and don't want to help me to fulfill my dreams in this
What you want
world.
me to help you with?
But long and short, story, me say, you know what much did yesterday?
What me yesterday?
You come out to hear about me on the news. Happened that. My sister come apologize to me about the whole thing and say, she give my girl a Pinky. Pinky a thief. So when she give Pinky the same thing now,
We same thing.
one ticket because she win number 12. So when number 12 and give Pinky money for collect because she don't want me to go see her or nobody to see she a collect it, so me know say she win money. I don't know why she a do that to me. That corrupt. But anyhow, she come here and you know and my sister, you know, so my sister my blood and I love her. So me gonna make up fast. So she did it now, she said she gonna give me 50,000 if me go for money from Pinky. Google and Pinky pull gun pan we. We have to run off.
Wait. Where's the Pinky there?
Pinky pull gun pan we have to run off. And we go to a police station. We reach a police station now, them say to we say, we can't file nothing because we the on Pinky ground, a fear yard we in. Them ask for our name and all them something. So we can't file nothing. So Pinky is now scotch free, just the same way. And bust and pull gun off away.
So why your sister never come to you first? She gone a friend.
Your sister some dopey jump them and he feel like saying he want bingo.
No, dopey
greed,
jump.
craving.
She just never want to share it with you.
Yeah, take
She
time.
never did that think about you.
Yeah,
Not time if you take time by truth and the truth
yeah,
hurt.
but I still my sister.
Yeah, you see, when you in a problem now, are you in run to?
Yeah, can you know say
Yeah,
my brother and this and that so.
Yeah, you know, so you are in brother when time she in a problem. You don't realize that?
Alright, you may say.
All along, no, listen to what me say now. Each time you win, your sister come over here. Yeah, most time your sister go buy a ticket.
But you panic.
Not the family.
You panic.
No. Most time your sister win, you don't know.
Yeah, no, most times she me know.
You don't know.
Tell me something. When you go to staff awards, which day there? With so and so. Oh, you ain't get no award?
Yes.
What kind of award you get? Rather than staff?
What do you mean red and
Rather
stuff?
than staff you get as an award, don't you? Huh? You laugh.
No.
And when you come home and you're tired, you're very tired, like you just
If
full
me
up
a
like a
journey
sheet.
so long, we expect.
The journey so long. Not my parents don't mind, but that are 21. 21 a bad, 16 a young girl. Journey.
I really Cashplot is long you start talk about.
Journey on road. 28 again. This is my sister. Yes, sister. Yeah, man, where is it? Yeah. Me a come link you right now. Wait there, don't it? You say me a come, girl. There's something we want about her, man. Yeah, me a come.
So really I go with your sister. I today I'm day off, me a day home.
Yeah.
You're supposed to spend time with me.
Yeah,
You want to go with your sister now? What you want to go with your sister for?
Tired about this one. Me have to go in some.
No, you're tired. Come on, we go in the house, go rest today me off.
Me soon come. Where you want to sing and rap up all day like a
Yes, because every day I work.
Yes, so me just get myself together then. No?
Oh, you get yourself together. Go to your sister, go to Cashplot shop, go gamble. Stop.
Stop doing.
Come on, we go in the house.
Me I go down my sister first and come. Me soon come with me. See? Me soon come back. It's alright. It's a mosquito bite. Sis. Yes, yeah, man.
Nothing not gone. I tell her say my brain just mash up. My meds mash up.
But it's your fault. You come at me like say your brains mash up like say. If you ain't trust me from morning, this I wanna reach me. You have to understand say if we are gonna do a thing, we are do a thing. If we not do a thing, we not do a thing.
Alright, me take a blame for it and everything. I don't have nobody to blame but myself.
Well,
you
that is
understand
it.
what I say? So me take a blame, but I try to even know.
The worst part about it, you see her from man, you see Pinky from man.
I don't see her.
And you no news from nobody a call her like say boy she a chat your road or nothing like that, say she a come do things. Nothing like that. So good then
Nothing
man.
at all.
And the man Eddie, she really and truly, nothing she come check you. That's the first thing. Because one, she owe you money. I have to you want to go check her. So consider it, say boy, is a gift. You know what I mean? A gift you give her. Because I never work for your money, that's the first thing. So we can now work on the plan how we say we are deal with now. The 3 number where you give me, the 3 number I have, we have put it together and see if we can, win our money. What you say? Because you look like you're still in a doubt.
No, man.
What?
Me just kind of give up on this gambling thing, I think I joke me and me, but me I try to turn a new page in the book right now. You understand what I say?
Which book?
Eh?
Which book? Gambling book?
Yeah, man.
But but which page no, just talk to me straight, because I don't want to keep on coming here, And I'm something that I know, say boy, I mean it upon the same terms.
Alright, what I mean, the chapter what I did have before, me close that the book there. So it's a new book, me I write over back with me and you, a new page, everything. New story, you understand? That me mean. So, me can't believe too. Me can't believe them police there.
Dirty police them man, I'm alright man.
Imagine.
Fire upon them.
After me and you go report Pinky. Can you believe the police them?
Why rough style.
No, tell me if it makes sense.
Yeah, because them tell me say it come like they can't trust you because they don't know if we go over for them place go threaten she and she have to pull her service pistol. So me I say, you don't know if illegal something. Whatever illegal something, they must say they don't know if illegal or license stuff, so they can't just come out like that. Can you imagine? And they must say, who else see? What kind of system that? Who else see?
You know what I feel? I feel say a true woman. Make a did one man.
One man, exactly.
They running pan him, but
a
true woman.
I go no man. I'm afraid. But everything good still. So what say we do? I buy some number.
Don't buy a number them man.
Eh?
You already know?
Come you go buy a number now?
Alright, come on.
Nobody feel covered for anything,
No man, me I check if me have money.
Yeah, you have to make sure you have money. Go. No, make sure you have money. Make sure you have money. Another dollar. Hey, the mahalla. Hey, yes, another day.
Find a change.
Find some change. So much money find? What money find?
Me find $600.
So it's $600.
You can't work?
Come on, I can. Go down.
Yes.
Hello, good day. How may
How may I help you?
What problem? What happened
Good.
today? Yeah, man, I'm good.
So what's business?
Business, alright.
Say a full time now for you when we get some money, if you want like an allowance.
Where you get money from?
I work. Take out some money, man.
So yeah, try to tell me if you do now. Thief out the people
No,
the
sir,
money
I
you.
tell you, I will never tell you for thief.
I don't come for today.
No, I tell you, say,
You don't
because I
want
can't
to
check you. I can't check you. You know why you say, you're work, I'm not come check you. I can't check you, man. I tell you, say.
You can't check me. And at the same time, you come and tell me say, take out some of my people their money, give them.
Then,
I fire when me get fired?
No, sir, but you know, say, talking about this and talking about that. See him so I'm bridging down the road there tell me say he want come rob me and he want involve me if he help you rob me. I said no.
One bridging?
One man tell me say one Rasta youth tell me say me.
Which man?
Boy public. I say name public. My bridging there. I tell me say he want come rob this place here. Cashplot shop here. He want come stick you up. And I tell him say me ain't that.
When you say I'm going to stick me up?
One day man. About 2 days ago.
So you don't know some your sister?
You don't know. I just my child put me in there. I tell him say me I'm not thief. Me not that.
So me die in child still.
Anyway, still, when I want to work, you know, I want to know the hours them when you work. I want to know what time you left, what time you come in, how much you pay.
Well, to tell you the truth, you know, my boss I look for security for other day because we don't have no security. And see you know what can tell me about man a plan to stick me up and rob me.
Because I don't want when the boy come, you know, and see me, you know. I say, Mama, you know, I'm pissed out with him, you know what? No, take your job, no, take your job.
Me I got what me have to talk to my boss first and make you know say. But here I know no, me can't make you know see me and your family.
Oh, yeah, you know,
because you know in a some place
business.
they don't really want family, or hire family or wow. Because I may have to go conduct your
Yeah, me understand.
your interview and so on.
Me understand.
So mommy alright?
Mommy good man, you know.
She must have cussed me.
She want things, man, that's why I make sure I come look at work.
She have to cuss me because other day she called me and said to send her $1,000 credit. And I remember next day, woman, you work in a Cashplot shop.
And Sugar High too, you know. Sugar High too, man, can I got a doctor on that time them.
In Sugar High?
Yeah. Hey,
so how you call me a cuss me
bam.
And in a call she tell me saying Sugar High.
She don't want to with it, because I find out and she tell me.
And she
but anyways, yeah, talk to your boss, me I come go down here and go see if she good or something.
Yeah, so, man, alright.
Alright, later.
No come back until me call you.
Alright.
Wagwan. When me want know is from the other day me give the ticket to go collect the big money. I'll know me can get my share out of it. So tell me how that go.
That the part there history. And me no get dollar. Not even dollar. Actually I don't know.
I fully try to take me from. So land there. Me see I fully try to take me from them. Because me know me get the ticket the day if you go change it. $150,000 to be exact. And you no come back and say, Alia, so I like 10 grand and much as $50.
Yeah, listen what me say. Me say me no get no money all time. Me give me friendly figure collect key. And mama rob me my money right now. Me tell her say, I don't even know what go on with all me and my brother. Go pay jar for my money. And it a badnessy girl a push. Badness.
It better you trust me enough to give me figure change because I live near South. But no, you know what your brother know.
Listen, that's in the past now. I'm sorry about that. Right now, I don't even know me feel.
Well, I still want my little something for you for now.
Alright, here what, me come to buy some number. Me don't have much time. Number 21.
Hold on, 1 minute. Give me a minute. You know my little brother just come up here. Come tell me say, for your brother, a plan to rob me and the Cashplot shop.
No, sir.
What you mean by silent?
No. You could have never. Your brother could have never tell you that about my brother.
And your way going out, you know, so my little brother come out of the shop.
I think me see one short boy.
And my brother, he just come up here to give me the news.
Yeah, listen what me I say. Me know my brother, me and him grow up together. And me I tell you say, my brother would have never.
Obviously you don't know your brother. Because my brother don't know liar. You hear him don't know liar.
Tell me number them.
Where's your one?
They fabricate such a lie.
21 hours.
21, 8, 15, 29. How much number that me gone?
4.
8 and 12.
At 2 times you tell me 8, you know.
You tell her 8 already? Y'all are confused my brain. You sure?
Go again. 21, 8, 15, 29, 21, 8, 15, 29, 8 again. Come again.
Alright, here what? 18. And 7.
18 and 7. So that's a 21, 29, 15, 8, 7, hour, 18.
Yes.
Alright. What you want them? 100 by 100? 50 by 50 what?
100 by 100. A lot, you know.
Oh, a lot you want?
Yes! Y'all are confused my brain.
Oh,
Me don't know where you get them to sit there from your fear, brother.
Hold this. Come, $300. And remember, you see any other shop I rob, I wanna know your brother and your brother, cause I your brother near me here.
You alright, you know, once you have no proof, you can't say my brother, because my brother not do them the things there.
Bye, miss, bye.
Later.
Come back again and remember, if you win this trip, I want my money.
Alright.
Who is it?
Me.
Come in. Come inside. How you doing?
I'm fine.
When you see me leave the grill up now, you must know, say. I saw your my camera coming, but... So you doing? It's good to see you in my house.
Anyway, I'm going to talk to you.
I am here to listen.
I know. You always did it for listen.
Always.
I can't believe, say, today I'm a day off. And the man when I day with, gone gamble. You can't believe that?
Wow. So, are you saying that you have the belief that he's not interested in you anymore? Or...
You feel so?
No, I'm just asking if that's the way you feel.
No, it's just that the gambling thing. Every time I feel like gamble, if I dream, I get up and I say I dream about this, and gamble about it.
But maybe you need to stop telling whatever you dream. You don't think so?
Yeah, I think so.
But like I said, it's really nice having you over today. I mean, I gave it a day off and I didn't even expect that you were coming to share some of the time with me. You know?
Yeah, because I need a friend to talk to, and you me have as a friend, so I just come and talk to you.
I understand. You know, anything for you. You know, always, going to be attentive to what you have to say. And I must say, you're looking very lovely in that purple dress.
Thank you.
Yes, man, that purple dress fits you very well. Fits you very well.
Oh, that's so nice of you. Not even that you man that tell me.
Serious? You serious? My God, and when I saw you on the camera coming a while ago, I nearly, my gosh, I felt so weak in my knees. I'm telling you, man, boy. Not going to say anything bad about him, but I know, growing up, I always hear my grandfather with this saying that, cow never know the use of his tail. Thank you very much.
That's true.
But I mean, you can give him some time to see if he'll come to his senses,
Yeah, that's what I'm going to do. Give him some time.
But for now, you don't know you have to. Still have to enjoy yourself, Because you don't know if him out there enjoying himself right now. You understand? So you have to enjoy yourself.
No, sir. Gambling and gamble.
You sure? Okay. But I have some drink in the fridge, I don't know what you'd like.
I'm not really thirsty right now.
Okay. Well, whatever you need, you're at my house, so I'm here to take care of you entirely. Easy. What you think about a while ago?
I never think about nothing. Not at all.
Okay. Because I don't want you to say, I don't want you to say my mind smutty,
No, doctor, I'm not say that.
You don't have to address me as doctor right now. I know I'm a doctor, but we're not at work now. You're at my house.
So?
Just feel free. Relax. Do as you please, anything at all.
Okay. Hello? Huh?
Where you there?
Me gone in the town.
Gone to what?
Me gonna pick up some stuff.
What kind of stuff? Make sure you know who you can pick up, you know.
What you mean by that?
Make sure you see a doctor boy there, you know.
Me not the Wendy.
Eh?
Me not the Wendy.
Me gonna give me shotgun by number, but my sister, I said to me, say, me want to wait for her one place. And me I said to me, say, what kind of trick she a keep up? So you are going now. No one talk to you, because you see one boy named Bob, I come pull me away from my sister while she go shop. So me I talk to Bob. So why me I talk to Bob now? English disappear after that. And then my sister forward. And say she a hurry.
When me come home, me talk to you. We have to talk.
No one talk.
No, when me come home, me talk.
I do you.
Jesus.
Eh?
Me there na.
You too busy for your man? Or a man of their own?
Me not there run no man.
So your sound so quiet and not all decent, eh? Backside of one. You make me there, I wonder where you're there. Because you don't normally go up on your day off.
Me tell her to stay home with me and you gonna gambling
So
shop.
that's in the hurry to come back. What is me bingo? Where you go say? Eh? Where you go say?
Me so come. When me come home, me talk to you, okay?
Say it again.
When me come home, me talk to you, okay?
How you sound so? But you speak proper.
No, so me always speak.
No.
Your phone.
It's alright. Alright. Master gonna go back a bit.
I'm sorry, I'm very sorry.
Me hang up the
I'm
call.
very sorry.
Jesus.
Place the phone here to charge. I'm very sorry. I'll take it in the room and come back.
It's okay, hang up.
Yeah. I soon come. Very sorry about that, eh?
That's okay. Oh,
But I mean, we get about all of this stress and thing out there. You know, the hall I kind of hot, I'm going to turn on the AC from morning, but inside of my room is very cool, you know, because the AC is on from morning.
No, me sit down with you, so that's
Serious?
okay. Yeah.
You mean to say you're going to stay in the heat out there?
No, we're not getting a room. Me have to go now, yeah, because I'm not going to stop calling on my phone.
I understand.
Yeah, alright, Doc. So, me see you in the office
And
tomorrow.
I tell you, whenever you come here, you don't have to call me Doc, you know.
You must.
Even Donovan, just say Donovan.
Alright, Doc. Oh, Donovan.
Come on, it's easy. Alright,
Later. Jesus, see my car in the Africa, yeah.
it's okay.
You know.
Next week, I'll give you a double there, so you can come over and, you know, spend some time.
I think about it.
Alright.
Alright, Doc. Donovan, later.
You're looking very beautiful, lovely, as always.
Thank you.
Alright.
Bye, Doc.
Alright.
Donovan.
You're easy, though. Don't worry, the dog them time, man.
Woo!
Come on. Alright. Damn, you that boy, you know, stop calling ladies, man. Look, I'm going to drink up outside or something.
You know, you are one.
Oh, boy.
Bob gone to jail.
Bob, the
Yes!
short nigga there.
Think I joke me. Me say Bob gone to jail. Bob broke his sister shop. His sister Cashplot shop.
But hold on the babe. So you try to tell me, say, Bob broke his own sister Cashplot shop.
So you can hear me say a while ago.
Backside. So I don't always think there's a blood thicker than water. And a matter of fact, you know, say the boy the Bob owe me some money. So when they are now?
Yes, ain't gone to jail.
Then if you gonna jail, how me I get my money? What can go so?
All his sister run him down. He lick him and police and hold him. His sister get out of hand. Want fight. So police lock up his sister too.
So she want to fight the police like her up too.
Want fight him brother, cause him brother broke his shop. And I understand.
Boy, it's a rough task. But me not busy about for them business, you know. And my money, me business about, you know. And Bob who me my money, you know. I'm not there no laughing thing right now, you know. All if I don't a station, me have to go for my money, me I go see it.
Top it nice. That girl when you pinky, you have the money down the road if you go and take your money for. I want me really do it. Sarcas are bad man.
Yo, top it nice. Come here, someone, I'm a back in your face. You don't know who you talk to. Don't ramp with me here. I'm a tough fat. Get up on ground, this too. Yo.
I don't understand you, know. I really don't understand you. I come in, I go around and come back. Where you went there?
I tell her somebody that I'm a friend, they don't like.
Don't know which friend?
Hmm?
So them are close here, we're gonna get friends? So sexy up? Eh?
No, I come in and beard and change.
You come in and build and change?
Mm-hmm.
You see one look at insect upon the same thing, you don't see it? You have to pay attention to certain things. I don't understand you. What really are going?
Nothing going. What happened?
What do you mean what happened? Are you to tell me what happened?
Nothing happened. Oh, before we go no further. Your sister come up here today, she said I must give you them here because she don't know why Bob they stop you when time you and I got a Cashplot shop. So she give me them the for you.
She makes you buy it 2 times. Isn't that still? We just don't understand what really are going between me because you tell me no, say you got a friend and I know say I don't get doctor place today. And you come in, you beard. What that signify?
That not signify nothing.
What do you mean that signify nothing? What you talk about?
What you want to talk about? Me not have other friend, only doctor my friend, I'm a boss.
Yeah, but to me, I doctor alone love to express yourself with you. Tell me to check your phone one night and say miss call from doctor come in. What that mean?
That not mean nothing.
You don't mean nothing at all, Joe?
No.
Oh boy, I don't understand what is going on. Cause you know what you know, I try to convince me say you're a doctor and nothing. My sister call back sister. You are trying to convince me say you're sitting there.
Me and the doctor don't in a nothing. We don't in a nothing at all. We only talk and that's it.
We don't talk. We mean talk. We mean talk.
When we there work, why you so aggressive? What wrong
Me
with
not aggressive. This is aggressive. Me not
so
aggressive.
So you go and suffer?
When me say I go and suffer, come in something wrong in and tell me.
Nothing wrong.
So
stop behave.
So you say what your doctor said?
So we all the talk when we there work and that's it.
And if you believe that?
If I believe you, I believe you, know.
My sister, calm yourself. Yes, sister. You see time of night, man, you call me? What do you mean? People, I like you tell. Yeah, like I tell, girl, I like I tell you, don't prank people too much.
Oh.
Girl, we win. We win. Well, me win. Yeah. Me if you run with the ticket, no, I swear to you. I'm not that to you, my sister. No, me not that to you. Me tell you, you never feel left a ticket. And yes. You understand, man? Know yourself. No, the one I can't let teamwork. No, I didn't matter about. Alright. Yeah, man, me will send you everything. I will respect everything, man. Just know it's everything good. Sister, you can't trust me, you know? How you make can't trust? Alright. If you fling that phone in the water now. That phone. What kind of phone is you want again?
Oh,
iPhone 16?
wow.
Yeah, get
Babe, how are you?
No, man, just think me and think about the fact say, yo, you have to just believe in yourself and believe in whatever you are doing.
Yeah, that's true.
What do you mean that's true? What you are talking about? You ain't believe in me? After every time you say, boy, lend me some of your dream them. And you say, you know, this and you know that.
We just stay distracted.
Very distracted. Look how fast you live in nurse work. But still, if you go back in nurse work, you know.
So, are you make me left you know, now you are telling me for going back?
Because guess what now? Me not gonna spend all of my dollars. So, see when I have a new house and you buy that expensive fridge, me don't know what kind of fridge is that. 300,000 for one fridge. What can go so? The money we done fast, yeah? So you better go back in nurse work in this area. You gotta laugh and get joke.
You're serious?
Let me say me serious. You have to go back
After
out.
you make me left me work,
Yeah, because
now you are telling me for going back at work.
you know why I say that? Left that area there and we could start now a new area. That me I talk about. Now we uptown. Uptown. So what we gonna do?
You must look work somewhere else.
You go get work. You know, I don't worry yourself. I'm me name, mommy name. Saying everybody know me as Lato King. Pass me cup for me, babe, please. Live like a king. What do you drink?
This is my favorite.
I must say you have 7 locusts in that fridge. Don't bother about the waste, you know.
Nah, all to make them waste them in the fridge.
Yeah, but 1 month now.
Just, they're going in a room to lie down.
And there go a supermarket, just take up. Take up, because you can't afford it.
Seriously?
Yeah, man. You might try to call my sister, I'm not get tired. I wonder if she squander fear money.
I hope she not squander it in a gamble.
You know, if you are thinking, she has to ask somebody for help her to collect this. Me no ask her what go on, I send her money, you know. I just send her money and left down there. But babe, I'm grateful though, that's all I tell her. I have one question to ask you.
Go ahead.
Why must you miss call from the doctor on your phone?
I don't know, just call me. I always call or check up on me. You don't take that as not.
Still? Alright, you know what? You don't take it as nothing. Alright, you don't take it as nothing. They say, lie down, but lie down now. I don't lie down, so
Not
far.
like that.
Go lie down, man, so far. Drink your water now.
No, somebody else push me like that.
You say push,
Come
say push,
on,
yeah.
come
Say
on,
pull it,
come
say
on,
push,
come
yeah.
on,
Say
come
pull
on.
it. Eh?
Come on, no. Come on.
How you doing?
What you doing around here?
Just passing by. How are you?
I'm fine.
I have friends and family living in this neighborhood. You know.
Oh, okay, I understand.
Yeah, so how you doing?
I'm fine. But
I can see that.
I still not understand. What the hell are you doing here, so?
Boy, you still talking about that?
Of course, me have to talk about
I
it.
told you I have friends and family
Me no
living in the
believe you.
neighborhood.
Me not believe you.
And I also have a patient right down there that I have to visit every Friday. So I am all over the place. A matter of fact, based on information received, I actually learned that you won the lotto. You and your
Me?
fiance, yeah.
No, me no want the latter. My fiance win the latter.
No, but both of you are together, so I guess the funds are for you both.
Yes.
So are you saying that the money is not also for you?
Me not say that. Yeah, money a fit to you. Me not say not like that. The money a fit to you. Why
Okay.
a problem?
Nice house.
And doctor come on to watch doctor.
I heard that you guys purchased this house. This house was initially owned by a lawyer, Garwood, you know, who is my friend.
And?
Yes, so all of the transaction I had prior knowledge to all of that.
Doctor, you see, if talking and growing corner whatsoever, one main reason why you come here. So remember, say me a different.
Did friend?
Yeah, we did a friend, but you did want to keep to one different level. So tell me, why you there here? Coming me an idiot.
So aren't we friends? Just the same?
No.
As back then?
No.
Serious?
Serious. Get to the point.
Life took a sudden turn. My God. So it's because you won the lotto why we both and friends. I realized you resigned abruptly, and that prompted me to run a little, a little check, and then I found out that all of this took place,
You run check? For what?
Let me be frank.
Doctor.
Let me be frank. Marika, I really do have some interest in you from back then. Not only, I should put it now. But anyway, I must go, right?
Yeah, go on. Because you know, you sure me man not even there?
Just, I have a patient down there.
Next thing you go come and see and go see me a long time me in a daily.
No. Just tell him that your one-time boss is just passing through.
No, you can't tell him that because he always attacks me in a business.
Seriously?
So I can't tell him that. So if I'm like you, hurry up and go on before he come.
So now that I'm looking in those cameras, it's like you're in
Me
big
have to
trouble.
go clear the camera when me go in. Go on. Please, me a beg you, go on.
You still have my number, right?
No, me not have your number again.
My gosh, I still have yours.
Wonderful. Go on, doctor, go on.
You see, Miss Marika, there's a thing called infatuation. I don't know if you know about that word, right? But I'm going to allow you continue on your journey. I can assure you, love will find its way home.
It come like your mother or something. Go on, doctor. How do you? You're mad?
It's okay,
You crazy?
Miss Marika. It's okay.
Look, you know, so you're gone far with me now.
It's okay.
You're gone too far.
I must go.
Go on. Hey. Jesus. What do you say now? Oh, God.
Wonder if me win nothing. Watcha, Pinky! What up, girl?
Where you call me for? Me and your friend?
I mean, girl, me and your friend, of course, I'm to you.
My girl, let me tell you something. You see your man violate me thing. You hear that? Because even though nothing now go on for me now, I know say me can pay my debts. If I even fit thief and rob, I can pay my debts. So, me don't understand why you call me a suffer. Why you stop me for?
Girl, see me man and you in a problem with money problem. Girl, don't bother make them a thing I get with them. Me and a friend.
Where friend I go? Come like a sick in your head. And this a stop me for?
Girl,
Where friend I go?
calm down
You
yourself.
like me keep friend, you know,
Calm
come
down
like say you
yourself.
know me. You know me, you know. Come like this, I get even
Pinky.
know me youth.
Pinky, calm down yourself. Cause for me man, can't take for me man fat for you know. You know me and a friend for a long time. So I don't know you behave so far.
I said you try set me up in a girl. I said you try set me up. If your man can't take me 3 pints.
You remember one couple, you remember public.
Mm-hmm.
They win a lot time, girl.
I like, come here, girl. Me and your friend, come here. Preston,
Yes, babes.
what go on?
I'm there, chill out.
You know why you name public?
Yeah, man, I'm virgin that.
I choose saying winning lotto.
Yeah, man, the dog win it for true, man, he mash it up, man.
Eh?
You go hope he make use of it, you know? Put it to proper use. So what make you so interested?
No, man, you know, say, I'm a friend, you know. Me just want to confirm if I saw you go, because to me I walk in the streets and I hear about it, so me just want to confirm if I saw you go. But no, so not me and a Preston, you know, me and your friend, you know.
All right.
All
Just
right.
hold it here.
Yeah, man.
The dog gone.
Ah. Yo, tell me something. Me no know say boy public winning lotto. See you know about it? So how my man winning lotto? Big and come out, I get and even help nobody. Alright, now me have some bills to pay. Gonna have to rise in a youth. So watch you now. You know the location where they in there? No see a word, my dog, no see a word. Everything active, man. Alright.
Who is that?
Hi.
Hi. Good evening.
Good evening. My cousin are there.
Who is your cousin?
Public.
Me no know you.
So police want me see you now.
Why? You can't pull a place and me no know you.
Just police want me see you. Me and
But
cousin
you
you know.
see me through here, so me see your face clearly.
Girl, let me say. Go so. Listen to me. I'm bother with the nice. I'm bother with the drama thing. Me can't take the drama thing. Yo, listen to me. Where your man dey? Yo, where your man dey? Hey girl, you come like say, where your man dey?
Another year. Another year.
Oi, call your man now and tell him say, me want 300,000. Let's your head bust off.
Three what? I don't know my phone. I can't find my phone.
A matter of fact, use the one.
I don't know your number.
Cut!
Alright.
Hey girl, I ramp with my badness, you know. You see what's so? Uno win a lot and run well if all mean I get off his suffer and poor.
No, I get him.
Yo, how much your man win?
Huh?
How much your man win?
100 million.
Clothes and skirt to mama. Where's it?
Oh?
Where's it?
100 million.
Hello, a matter of fact, I never want the 300,000. If me can't get 10 million, I'm just dead. Call him, man. No.
I'm not getting.
You see that? You see that? Again, I'm not joke with my badness, you know.
Hello? Public. Where they? Come on, no. One of your cousins there stick me up with gun. You know no cousin Jamaica?
You know, so I'm not joke with my badness. Hey boy, hurry up, let's a girl dead. You know,
Come on.
hey girl, sit down here, son.
Please.
We want to have $100 million. And run off. I take my thing for Papi show. I left me and I get her suffer. I want to take this thing for. I want to play with.
No. Who you by the way?
You never hear about me?
No.
You never hear about me? Your man never tell about me?
No.
That means you're in a relevant team then.
Are you the make them run? Are you the take it 100?
You're late.
So where you want? You really come here so for rob him again?
Man, me shook this in your mouth, man. Lock chat, man. You see that the 150,000 there? That done in a one day. All my chef Tanisha get piece of that. Come like, ask the man if you not pass me yard and smell beer shrimps. And you see right now, you see right now, if me not get the money, you're dead. Cause me have debt CPF right now. So just know one of them, you know, so not pay my badness door. I go round and I try go round me thing, you know. I go round you, you dirty man, I try go round me thing, you know.
I'm not going to think public soon come.
Alright. Leave now, send up me here.
So why you still like...
You come like say, oh! A matter of fact, me didn't even stay here, so you know. Because your man all take long to come right or so. And money me want here. You feel I no idling thing me depan. Eh? A matter of fact, all this. Take that as a warning.
You subscribe yet?
Alright then. Thank you. You've made it to the end. Yes. Alright then. Thank you for the time that you spent. And me say, alright then. Thank you. You made it to the end. Alright then. Want to big up on my family and friends. Hey, thank you so much. This is episode 2 of Cashplot. You know what I mean? We are working on some stuff. Let's see if we can get episode 3. No rest because people get shot in the foot and them something the most want to know what go on next. Not true. So here we are going. Thanks to everybody who support the movie. Thanks for the locations. Thanks for everything. You know what I mean? And I highly appreciate You know what I mean? Big up on yourself and see you in the next video. Okay, see ya.